like na host. God bless. Thank you so much, Sis Leonie. Ma'am Leonie, salamat po. Majestic Channel in live stream, you can sing there just to enjoy. Hindi yan kasi, Sis Rachel, ano daw, kasi nga sabi niya, ayaw naman daw niya ma-monetize. Pero yun nga, curious siya about yung mga ano natin, yung mga subscribers. That's why I'm telling him that it's not a big problem about the subscribers because, subscribers come and go, supporters come and go, friends come and go. And who will stay? That's why I'm telling him that who are there supporting you, you support them also. Because really, it's very hard to find a supporter here on YouTube, a friend. I will, I will do it soon. No, that's why I'm telling you, I'm not a good singer, but I like singing. I don't mind what other people say. I have bashers everywhere, but I like doing it. Sometimes, if I have problem, Majestic, it's like having live stream like this. It's like one way of voicing out what we have. It's not we are saying what problems we have, but at least, it's like one way of it's not forgetting, but it's like one way of voicing out anything we have. I wish I had better equipment when I sing. I only use old Samsung phone. Kamsat Chel, ayan from Kamsat. You know, Majestic, my phones are local phones. I have Alcatel and another is Xiaomi. And, sometimes I am thinking of buying another Samsung perhaps because I cannot afford iPhones. But anyways, I'm the qualities of the videos I have is, for me it's not bad, but comparing to other videos, they have better quality than mine. But anyways, as you have said, as I have said, I am enjoying what I am doing, and don't panic. Don't stress on YouTube because if you are stressed, it's not good. Ayan. Gaya ni Kabsat Igorota. You see, Faye Gorota La Cuachera, she's enjoying having live stream. She speaks a lot on her live stream. Sana hindi niya ako marinig, Kabsat Rachel. Sana hindi niya ako marinig na ngaw-ngaw siya ng ngaw-ngaw sa LS niya. 'Di ba sabi ni Admin Toniva, ngaw-ngaw ng ngaw-ngaw. Sound is better with better equipment. I want to sing more professional one day when I am brave. I am tough in life, but chicken on the internet. Majestic, I got monetized without doing any live stream. Really, I didn't. It's like I don't have I wasn't brave enough to have my live stream before I got monetized. I only upload long videos every day, every day. It wasn't every day before, because the first 6 months of my channel, I was thinking if I will continue or not. But some friends encouraged me to do it. And because my channel is about, I am using this channel, what I am earning here is for my charity in the Philippines. So some friends encourage me, saying you must continue because at least if you will earn something on YouTube, you have more, you have another resource, for your charity group. So I continued, and it's not bad. I am earning perhaps two or three. I am receiving my salary here perhaps 2 or 3 times a year, and it's not bad. I am enjoying doing this. Harang ating, salamat kuyang. Thank you so much, Majestic. I am enjoying also this because, I am helping also lots of friends here on YouTube. I am helping them to earn their watch hours. At the same time, they are supporting me also, because YouTube is like give and take. Because if you don't support the people who are supporting you and who will support you, So YouTube is like give and take. Ayan. You see, it's now dark outside.